Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to take a look around Secrets Vallarta Bay in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Hey everyone, Kevin here from Novak Adventures, where we cover all things travel from tips and trips to tech, news, reviews, and more. When you're ready to plan your next trip, reach out to us at novakadventures.com. Come on along, join us on the adventure. Secrets Vallarta Bay is located in the middle of the mainland of Mexico's Pacific coast. The all-inclusive shares a footprint and some amenities with its sister property, the family-friendly Now Amber. The lobby and check-in areas are wide open and airy with an enormously tall ceiling. The lobby also has some sitting areas with reflecting pools that look out over the swimming pools and beach. If you feel like getting pampered, you can rent a poolside private cabana where you'll get dedicated servers to take care of your food and drink needs. Or you can just walk over to the poolside bar and restaurant and grab your lunch and margaritas. Just past the pools is the beach. The beach near the water is quite rocky. I'd recommend wearing water shoes to the ocean. As with most all-inclusives, non-motorized water sports are available at no additional cost, but if you want to test your nerve at parasailing, you'll have to pay a little extra for it. And just like with the pools, there are private beachside cabanas available for rental. We decided to do just that. The lower level has lounge beds and chairs, and the upper level has this wonderful view of the beach. When it's time to include some of the all-inclusives of your all-inclusive, you'll find lots of restaurants and bars at your disposal, some of which are shared with Now Amber. Castaways is an al fresco restaurant overlooking the beach and pools and is exclusively for use of preferred club members. Right next door is Oceana with lots of fresh catches to choose from. Of course, being in Mexico, Secrets has a wonderful Mexican restaurant, Tamarindo. There's Himitsu, the Asian and sushi restaurant. Capers Italian, Bordeaux, a French eatery, The Market Cafe is the buffet with indoor and outdoor seating where you can get cooked-to-order eggs and crepes. The Bay Cafe is a 24-hour coffee and pastry shop. The main courtyard is where you'll find the gift shop with snacks, drinks, logo wear, and health and beauty necessities. If you're ready to work off some of that all-inclusiveness, there's a well-equipped fitness center and an enclosed tennis court. And if you weren't pampered enough with your private pool or beach cabana, there's Secrets Spa by Pavonia, with a large private suite catering to the needs of a bridal party. There are a total of 271 suites in 9 categories available at the resort. We had a Preferred Club Junior Suite Ocean View. Our room had a very comfortable king bed, and you can use that tablet to order room service, spa services, and see the daily activities. There's a flat panel TV, a desk and makeup table, a large walk-in shower with rain head, dual sinks and mirrors, a large soaking tub, plenty of storage with a dresser, an armoire, a small safe, and a scale. A scale? On your private balcony, you'll find a small seating area, a hot tub, and this spectacular view of the resort. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our content, and get in touch with us when you're ready to book your next adventure.